So hello guys, so we're back again with a new video, and in this video we are going to do our project on a Power BI. We are going to make a dashboard here. uh, First of all, I would just want to say sorry to you guys because I'm not able to upload the videos on time. I'm sorry for that, but it's okay. I have a gift for you, and I told you that in a previous video, I think, that there was a gift for you, so I have decided to make a Power BI project for you, and you guys can use that project in your resume also. So without wasting a time, we are just going to start the project. So I just want to tell you that this is a Power BI dashboard. This video is going to be a we are going to start this video from scratch, and every beginner, every new student who is just want to learn the basics of data visualization. So I just want to tell you that a Power BI is one of the most powerful tool for this. Okay, and I know if you watching this video, so you should have a knowledge about that what is Power BI, what is the importance of that. Okay, so I don't want to go in depth that what is Power BI, uh who founded this. Okay, I am not going in that thing. We are just in this project right now, and I'm just going to tell you, and you can just use this project. I told you every time that you can use any of the my study material. You are free to use it, or you can upload or use it, share it with your friends also. So you can use this one also. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that some basics of the Power BI. So this is a home tab. In this home tab you can see a few of the examples like get data on Excel workbook. Okay, I just want to tell you one thing, that we are just going to work within the Excel workbook. Okay, we are going to import the Excel workbook because the data set is in a Excel, and I'm going to provide you the description of the data set, so that you can just download it. I will just provide it in the description box, so you can just check it out there. So first of all, we just have to import the data. So let me just import it. This is a report view. Okay, so we are going to make a dashboard, so we have to use this one, report view. You don't, as you can see, that there's a table view option, there's a model view option, but no, we are just going to make something, only a simple report view. In the further video, uh, after completing the dashboard, we will just go I will just tell you about the table view option also. So this video is going to be a combined video for the table view and the report view also. So let me just import the data first of all. So you can just directly import the Excel workbook from here only. You can see the Superstore sales data set. This file, I'm going to provide you the link. You can just open it. You can just open the file from this option also, or otherwise you can just import it from this also. I'm just going to tell you that how you can open it from both of the options. First of all, let it load it, let it be loaded. Wait a minute. You can just upload it from here also. It doesn't matter. I just want to tell you that how the different ways. I just don't want you to become puzzled in any of the situation, so this data is loading here, and after loading I will just close that tab, and then I will just import the data from the new tab also, so that you can use any of the options. You can use any of them. Okay, it's okay, it doesn't matter that which option you are choosing. It is taking time, actually. It is a big file. I just want to wait a minute. I just share you the file. It is coming only. Wait a minute. Actually my system is so slow. It's not working properly right now. Wait a minute. Okay, it is over. Put it. Let me just select the sheet, so you can see that this one. Yeah, this is a data set. Okay, this is a data set. So we have to just there you can see that this is a sheet one, and in the same way we are having multiple sheets here. Wait a minute, I'll just show you the multiple sheets. Okay, cancel it. Okay, first of all I will show you the data set from here. So this is a data set, Superstore sales. Okay, let me just open it in the Excel. First of all, I'm opening in an Excel, then I will show you how to load it from both of the options. I think I have told you that how to open it from the home tab. Now we'll just directly open it from the tab that is provided, the option that is provided within the dashboard. Kulja bhai, what are you doing here? Okay, Excel 2019. I think I'm having an old version, but in most of the systems, 2019 or 2020 is only working. Doesn't matter. So it is opened. That is loading. Guys, I know I'm not regular, but see, I'm back again with something really great thing, huh? I'm going to clear every doubt of you, okay? Every doubt of you, how you will create each and everything. You can use it. See this. This is a big data, okay? You can see this. This is a big data. So the this data set will be provided to you. So let's close it first of all. And I expect that you know the basics of Excel and the basics of Power BI, that how if we change anything in Excel, then the if we change any data set or any data or any value in your Excel sheet, then it will be reflected in your in a Power BI, okay? So I think you know each and everything about this. So let me just import it from here. So import data set from Excel. See, simple. It is just simple. It is very user friendly, guys. You will fall love it with it, okay? Sorry. So sometimes it takes time. So guys, I just want to some suggestions from you that okay, it is loaded. So hey guys, I think I've told you this, that I have shown the sheet one. It is showing reflecting sheet one, but there are multiple sheets. Okay, it is showing only sheet one. So there are three options here. First one is cancel. I know that everyone knows about it. Then load and then transform data. So coming to first of all talking about the transform data. By this option, you can just transform the data the values within the sheet. Okay, without changing the values in the Excel, you can directly change the values, or you can just delete or add any column here directly, okay? So if you just it come under the part of data cleaning, okay? The what people say that data analysis the data analysis analyst का काम होता है ना cleaning करने का data को. So this is only a data cleaning, okay? So how to clean a database, or how to uh, get a useful insight from data. So for that you have to use this option transform data. You can just transform the data, such change or add something here. From here you can just do it directly. So let me see that our data is good or not, if it is requiring any additional values, or if you have to remove anything, just we can do that. We have to always remember, guys, you have to check the data, okay? Because before starting, if you have started working, you have made the project, and afterwards you know came to know that the values are wrong, or something is wrong here, so then it'll be such a chaos for you, okay? Let me check it. So there are multiple options, okay? This is a Power Query editor, okay? You will come to know about this, which is a very important option, very important feature of a Power BI. Okay, so let me check it. Okay, everything is fine. Reason category, actually it is a very big file, so we have to check each and everything. Okay, so you can see one thing here, that there are two columns which are showing null values, and I don't think the null value so we can just delete these two values, because the values are not there. It is showing null. It means that it is of no use. So we can do one thing. First of all, I can just refresh it. So you can do one thing. For the data cleaning purpose, you can delete the two rows here, okay? The two columns, these two columns, ind1 and ind2, you can just delete the both, okay? So for deleting the column, you just have to click here. You can see that there is an option. Okay, let me check it. Okay, you can just right click on here directly, and you will see option remove. Okay, so you can remove this column directly from here, or you can do one thing. If you see the home tab here, you will see multiple options here. The first option is remove columns and choose column. So you can choose the option remove column from here also, or you can just do directly click on the right button of your mouse and you can just remove from here. Okay, and if you want to delete the both of them, okay, so you can just click a control plus a, it will be selecting each and every term. And if you are clicking control plus a again, okay, to unselect okay, so you can do one thing. You can just click on the shift key and then click on the index one and then click on this one, and you can just directly to remove it. uh, Click on this and remove column option and you can just directly move it. Check. Oh, you can see that both of them are okay. So you can see that we have just cleaned the table. And guys, I want to tell you one thing. Okay, you have to check each and every column. Okay, you have to check each and every column, just like they said you are checking that order date. So you have to check here that it is showing, it is having each and every value in a correct manner or not, in a same format or not, because sometimes because we are getting the raw data from directly from different servers. So we don't know that the server is providing us the right treatment format, because if we are if any one of your format is wrong, then your whole data will be your data visualization will be destructed. Okay, so you have to check each and every row and column first of all before, okay, before using anything. Okay, so I think that the data is clean. Actually, I have cleaned each and everything for you. Only I just want to show you that how to delete the column. That is why I have just added the two columns, extra columns here. So back again, we did this thing. Okay, so you can see that there is option close and apply here. So you have to click on this close and apply. No, don't click on apply, because if you click on apply, then the tab will not be will not close. You have to click on the first option that is provided, or you can see in your tab. If you are having any old or new version, maybe the option will be at the second or third place. It doesn't matter, you will find the option here. Okay, so we are clicking on close and apply. Okay, let me just close my tab. Okay, so this is we are back. So you can see that there are pending changes in your queries that have been. Click on apply. Okay, this sheet is loading. Okay, I was not knowing about that. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let the sheet be loaded. Okay, oh yeah yaar, guys, my system is such a cox, such a cox. Actually, the mistake is not from a system side. Lots of data are stored in my PC. That is it is working so slow, and I don't get time actually for cleaning the data uh, that I'm not using. But I'm planning to do that on some holiday or someday. Okay, I do one thing, right? I just pause the video, and after when it is completed, then I will just resume it. So guys, all data has been uploaded, and click on this option. Okay, you have there. I want to show you three options here. These are one of the most important options for you. You will use each and everything. You will select each and everything from here only. I just want to introduce you to the filters for selecting or any filtering any data. You have to use this option filter. We are using it. This also we are using visualizations. Of course, we are using visualization here, and we are using the data also. So first of all, what you have to do, just click on the sheet option right now here, and you can see all the columns that we have used in our Excel file. All each and every column is here. So and you can see that category, city, country, customer name, each and everything, and it is showing the what is, you can see one thing. I think you are able to see this. There's a symbol like sigma. So what is sigma? It is showing the sum of profit. Okay, the total profit that the company has gained within a year, within a date, within a month. It has shaped like this. Okay, so this is a very you can say intelligent tool. So coming to the visualizations, we can see, you can see that there are many charts and bar graphs you can use for your for your project. Okay, so first of all, let me, okay, let's start the project. Okay, so okay. So first of all, you have to take a cluster bar chart. We are going to start with a cluster bar chart. So you have to take cluster column chart, cluster bar chart. So here is a cluster bar chart. We are loading it here. Okay, see. So you can see that when we clicked on the cluster bar chart, you can see. Oh, sorry. You can see that these y-axis, x-axis, legends. You can see these fields. I will just introduce each and everything from here. If you will just put I just want to put categories in a y-axis. Okay, so put categories. Where is categories? Categories. Okay, put categories in the y-axis. So okay, it has been done, and we can select sales. Okay, we can select sales. Okay, sales in a x-axis, and let's see what happens. And when we select both of them, you can see that the cursor is moving. It means that it is working. You can see afterwards that yaar ho ja yaar. So yaar, so slow. My system is very slow. Shame on you, boy. Okay, guys. So you can see that the data has been loaded. I just make it a big size so that you can see this. So you can see that there's a option sum of sales, category, technology, furniture, 0.0 point. This is a scale sum of sales it is showing. Okay, so we can edit some things, the things from it. Okay, let me just edit it. Oh, you have to click on this format for your visuals, and then you can select on this general. Okay, and you can just close the title bar. Sum of sales by category, you can just close it. I don't think so that it is needed. Or we can do one thing, we can just open the title bar. I will just edit it afterwards. First of all, we can do one thing, we can just select the parts here. Okay, first of all, we will select the parts and we will change the colors of the parts. Okay, let me just wait a minute, let me just close this bar. Happening every time. You can just select the colors from here only. We click on show all. You can see the multiple colors. You can just change the color like this. I can change this to orange one, and this into this yellow one. looking nice, huh? So the font change we have done, and then we have to click on general. Okay, and in general click on effect. Then there is an option called background here. We can do one thing, guys. Wait a minute, I'll just show you one thing. So you can do one thing, you can just we can just put the background. Okay, first of all we should break the background, so you have to click on this. First of all you have to click on this space button. Don't click on, just make this small. Okay, first of all make this small, and then you have to click on this the blank space. Okay, okay, remove this. Whenever you will click on this blank space, then this tab of visualization screen will appear here. You have to click on this option, visualization format your option page. Okay, and you can see two options here. The first one is wallpaper, and the second one is canvas background. Don't click on the wallpaper. Okay, you have to click on this option. Many times people do this mistake. So you have two options here. The first one, you can just select any color from this. Okay, you can select any color like this, any color. Okay, it is not showing. Or you can do one thing. Actually, I have not applied the color. You can do one thing. You can just browse, and I have a color here, blue gradient. This will be provided to you within the link. So don't worry. You can use this one also, or if you want any other color also, so you can use that also. So click on OK, apply. So how it is looking? Nice, huh? So you have used this in the if you can see one thing, the background is looking good. So what can do, you can just match the background with this chart also. Okay, so you have to select the background right like this, and or you can just click on this. Okay, and there's an option called format painter option. You have to click and you have to apply, and after applying you will see a magic here. Okay, so where's the magic? Why the magic is not happening? So for changing the background of the chart, you can do one thing. You can simply click on this option, format visual option, and you can see that there is an option called general here, and now click on the effect button. So you can see that there is option for background, so you can select any background from here. That's like I have selected a black one. Okay, and you can do one thing. You can select a transparency too, that how much transparency you need in your background. So you can see the thing. I think that the background has been okay. So see, you can see one thing, that the background is matched with our original background. So okay, it's fine now. And you can just open the visual border also, so it will look nice. Now header icon, open this. Okay, so header icon, you can see, you can just turn off the title here from. See, you can see one thing, that the title is not visible here, so you can just select the color, white color from here, white color, so that it can be visible for you, and put it in the between. Now coming to the visuals. Okay, let me just edit the visuals. And the x-axis, you can see the multiple value, you can see the multiple things. You can just turn off the title here from this space, and from the y-axis also doing one thing. Yes, I'm turning off the title because I have provided the title. And now you can do one thing also. You can just select the color, because these are also not visible, so you can select a white color from here. And let me just increase the size, or it is fine. It's fine. Okay, it is fine, size is fine for us. We have selected y-axis. Now y-axis, coming to the y-axis, you can do for y-axis. Okay, you can select the color. You can select the white color only. I think we have selected for the not for the X. Wait a minute. For the X. Hmm. This was a mistake from my side only. So you can see the color. You can see the option here. This one. You can select the white one from here, so you can see that now it is visible. Okay. Okay, you can see one thing, that there is a grid lines like that, so you can just remove it because it is looking so odd. So you can see option here, go down, and you will see option vertices, vertical. So you can just close this option. Now it is looking fine. So I think that it is looking nice. Sum of sales by category. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding that what we are doing. You have to do each and everything that's like this only. Select each and now go to general, and you can change the name of this checks, like the sum of sales. You can write by category, don't write this. You can do select here and sum of category. You can write sum of sales. Okay, then you can just fold this. So it is looking nice now. Okay, it is looking nice. You can just select the size of it. You can see one thing, you have to see that if we are just making it small, then the values are also becoming small. So you can do one thing, you can just go in the visual now. So here is the option, you can see here there's a maximum area width, so you can just okay, you can see that you can just increase this maximum area width. You can say actually my system is very slow. Okay, it is fine now. And now if we will just reduce the size, you can see that the values are also, let me just improve it more. Okay, so it is fine now. Maximum area width, it is fine. You can do one thing, you can just go in an up down menu, zoom slider, grid lines, data labels. You can just open there, you can just do this. You can just click on the open data labels, and you can just turn off the x-axis because data, because the axis is visible here, so you can just turn off your x-axis. You just turn off the values. Okay, now it is visible, and click on the white option here. Now it is visible. Okay, and let me just put it. Now it is looking nice. So you will be puzzled at what I have done. I have actually click on in the data label option. I have opened the data label option. We have just turned it on, and then when you will just click on the drop down value, then you can just find a value option here. You can just select the color white because our background is black, so that black, then it will not it was not looking great. Okay, so you can just click white color. I have chosen the white color. You can choose any of your color which is matching with your background, and voila, it is working. So you can see that what we have completed the work. Now you can do one thing, we have selected the background, we have selected this also. Now now I will just tell you that how to make a copy of this. Okay, we have to make another chart, another uh, bar for the data distribution. So you can do one thing, you can just click on it, and now in the keyboard click on control plus copy, and now control plus V. So another copy of this is now visible. Okay, it is visible. Okay, one thing more, let me just remove this. Okay, I just want to show you one thing. So guys, I just want to tell you that you can just select the grid lines, the shape of grid lines also. You just have to click on the general here, and then you can just drop down menu and you can have to click on the option visual border option that you have opened. And now you have to see this option, the rounded corners. You can just I have increased it to the 30 or 29. You can just do it by your own, that like this also. You can see this is shown like this. Okay, so you can do this as per your choice. I have selected this. I'm showing it you again, then going to general, then you have to click on the option effect and then the visual border option, and you have to select some here. You can just select the different colors of your border by your own. Okay, I have selected this one only. Actually it is looking nice. So now you have to take the copy of that, make a copy of that, and we now we are having another scattered by chart, what we are clustered bar chart here. So now we can do one thing. You can just select open the data from here. Guys, I just want to tell you one thing, that I don't think so that this video, I just want to keep it as, let me just adjust the size. Okay, let me just adjust it, buffing the filter. Okay. Oh. What I was saying, you can do one thing. You can just open this, and now we are going to make another one for you. So we will do one thing. We have taken the copy of it. Now we will just click on the y-axis, and you can see the values here. You can see on this, first of all you have to click on this only, and now you have to open the data. Now we will do one thing. Okay, for selecting the data, you can do one thing. You can select subcategory on the y-axis. So let me just for the subcategory. Now we are going to make for the subcategory, and remove the category from here, and let the other one be a sum of cells only. So you can see one thing. You can see this thing that we are able to watch this. See, looking nice, huh? So you can see that it is showing for everything. Okay, now you can do one thing. You can just filter out each and every data from here. If you have to filter out the data from here, so first of all, sum of all you have to click on, and less than, and there are many options here, and there's an option like ascending, filtering, basic. We can do one thing. We can select the top three one. Okay, we can select top three one or top five one. So whenever I click here by the value, and you have to add the data type here. Okay, so which data type you are using here, you have to select that data type, and on the basis of what it is asking, on the basis of what, so you can do one thing. On the basis of sales, you can put sales here. So average sales, or you can just put sum of sales only, or there are many options here. You can select any one of that: maximum sales, count of sales, sum of sales, and yeah, you can see that it is showing profile values. Mm. and click on apply filter. So you can see that it is showing 5 values now. Okay, so it is showing 5 value. You can do one thing, you can select only top 3 value, doesn't matter sum of sales, and you can select 3 values of out of the number. So it is showing the top three values of some of the sales. Okay, let me just keep it slow. Okay, so we can do one thing, we can select it. Now we can just adjust each and everything. Now we don't have to do anything more like this. We can just select the options here. The grid line option is okay. Now you can select the option bars, and you can select the color of the bars. A random color you can select yellow. I'm selecting it first one. I'm keeping it second. I will choose a more color option here, and a pinky color. Nice. Okay, okay, and let me change this color also because it's looking odd one. We can select a red one option. Red will look good. Okay, so this is our second, and we can just keep it at as the same size of this one only. Okay, okay. अरे यार आजा. So we have now two values here. Let me just increase the width. Okay, so now we have just two charts paper. So I hope that everyone you are understanding and enjoying the series. And do one thing, we have to just change the scale name. So we have to change the name of this, so we can select the channel option here and the title option, and we can just change the name of here of it like that. Sales by category, we can select here sales by subcategory. Okay, sales by subcategory, and so you can select the sales by subcategory here. Okay, and okay, we can just change the name of this also. We can do one thing, we can just change the name of this also. Okay, we are going to change the name of this to title. We can just change the name. Okay, sales by category, category. Okay, now it's fine. I think the shape is also fine. Now we can do one thing, we can just click on this only, control plus copy and control plus V, taking another one, and now we are going to make another paragraph, and this time we will can take ship mode on y-axis. Okay, ship date, ship mode. Okay, here it is, ship mode. We can just select on y-axis. Okay, and just deselect the category 1 option. So you can see that it is showing by ship mode, and we can keep the sum of sales like this only. So sales by category, so we just have to do some editing here only. So click on, I think you can do this much part because I have told you. You can just select a color, different color, and there are 4, so you can just select 4 color from here. Like this. First of all, I'm choosing a red one, A second one will be choosing from a blue. Okay, and the third one I can choose from a pink one. And the fourth and the little one I can select from the yellow one. Yeah, it's looking nice, nice, so nice of you. Now we can just do one thing, but more thing is left. We can change the title here, and title we can write the title by sales by category. Okay, sales by ship mode. Okay, sales by ship mode. So we have finished the three catalogs here. Okay, you can see we have finished the three catalogs. Sales by category, sales by subcategory, and sales by ship mode. Now we can do one thing. We will make one area chart. Okay, now we are going to make an area chart. So select the area chart from here. Okay, we are selected the area chart, and what we have to do in the area chart I'm going to tell you. You have to select the order date and sum of salaries from there. So you can just let me just put all these things inside. Okay, actually we have to make some space for showing you, because if I'm going to do each and everything uh, then maybe you will find some problem in understanding the things, because there is some lots of hodgepodge behind this. So you have to select the order date. So where is the order date? Let me just find the order date. Anyone is can watch the order date here? Order date. Okay, here is the order date. So you have to put the order date in the x-axis. Okay, and you can see that there are multiple options like year, quarter, month, or date. So I'm going to tell you that what we have to select. You can keep the year also, you can keep the quarter also, you can keep the date also, you can select anything. And in the y-axis we can select the sum of the sales. Okay, so you can see that the chart here, it is showing x-axis, it is showing y-axis. I don't want to okay, show all levels. Click on show all levels so you can see all the 4 levels here. So I think I can select on the monthly basis. Okay, because on monthly basis it will be looking nice, and I can understand each and everything that I'm getting this much sales in the month, and this month and this month, and we can just select each. Because on our day purpose I don't think so that anyone can understand it easily. So I'm just doing this like this. Okay, so you have to select a legend. Okay, or we can select a order date again here. For selecting in a legend, click on the legend here. I just want to show one thing. I just want to tell you that I just want to show the sum of sales in a month, and particularly on the date, on what date the sales was maximum or minimum. Okay, so open the order date. You can see here multiple orders like this. Okay, so it is showing you date, hierarchy, new group, move, rename, show. So you can see this that we have just made this. Okay, I just want to tell you that you can select the month also. You just have to select the date hierarchy again, or you can show that show all levels here. And when you click on the show all levels, you can just select the month, year, and month here. Okay, you can see the bar graph, and in a legend you can put the order date here. order date. When you will put the order date, you will see that multiple options. You have to click on the date hierarchy option. When you will click on a date hierarchy option, you can see the year. Now you can see one thing, that in a date hierarchy or a legend, you can see the year. And here you can see that we have selected what we have selected. See this. Okay. Hmm. So we have selected the month and the date. So now whenever you click on this, then you can see that it is showing 2019. And it is showing that it is showing you the year. Okay, whenever you are clicking. And see one thing, whenever you are clicking on different month, the bar graph is also changing. I think it is a very new thing for you, and it was also a new thing for me too. So I hope so that you are liking the video. I just want to do one thing, that guys, please subscribe the channel, so because this is only a thing that keep me motivated to working for you, uh, for making new videos for you on the different types of projects. And don't worry, we are going to make a project on Excel soon. This I think I'm going to provide you 2 or 3 more lectures on the Power BI. And this video I'm going to divide into 2 parts, because I don't think so that I will be completing the whole video, because it will be a long video for 2 or 3 hours. So I don't want to keep you in a boring mood. So I will be dividing the video in the 2 sections, so that you can just easily watch it. So coming back to our topic, so what we can do, we can just select on the x-axis. Now we have to do some editing. So I think you like the editing part very much. Before doing editing, you can do one thing. If we can just select click on this option, and now you have to just click on format print. Keep in mind, first of all, you have to click on this, and then you have to click on the format printer, and then like this, click on this. See, voila, you can say. So you can see this. Now if you will just close the legend, you can see that the legend is closed. Data levels, of the data levels. Okay, now okay, you can select the option here and keep it bold only. It is looking nice. Maximum height it is showing. If I'm just keeping it like this, and it is showing the best filtered value. Maximum height, if we are just keep it 28 only. Okay, maximum height you can keep 28. Now this was the x-axis. Now clicking on the y-axis, you can see the values option here, and it is off. You can just turn it on. The y one, you can just turn it on, and you can select a bold from here. Okay, and legends, the legends are open for you. You can just select multiple tax options from legend only. Okay, legend, where is the legend? The multiple tax options are there. You can select any color like yellow or something else. Okay, and keep it bold. So guys, this is only a this for the work. I hope that you are liking this. So we can make a copy of it. Okay, now I think it is we did each and every editing that we have that is needed in this. So I don't think so that anything is needed here. Let me just check it once again. Let me just check it if anything is needed here. Legend we have to, we can keep the legend in the middle. Oh, it is looking nice. Oh, it is looking nice. Okay, doesn't matter. Click on the general here, and click on the artifacts. Visual border, visual header icon. Everything is fine now here. I think that everything is fine. Mm, each and every value is visible. Okay guys, so that's all about this, and let me make a copy of it. Let me see the how it is looking. Yeah, nice. One thing I just forgotten. I have to change the title. Okay, so let me just change the title here. Let me just change the title from here. What we have to write. So you can we change the title from here. So click on the title option, and now you can just write monthly sales by. You can write your name. You can write your name. Yeah, I think spelling of monthly is wrong. Monthly sales by yo-yo. Okay, now okay, now just click on the copy option, and now click on the paste option, and another one is created in front of us. I think we have clicked the wrong one. Let me just remove this. Okay, let me just remove this. Yeah, now click on this only. We have to select this option only, and now we have to click on the copy option and the paste option. You can see that we have selected this. Now we can do that. We can make a profit. We can make the monthly profits. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click, you have to just deselect the this one, and where is the profit one. You can select the profit from here and click on the y-axis. Now it is showing you each and everything related to profit on the basis of month and day, in the basic of month and day. Okay, now you can do one thing. I think it is formatted, each and everything is visible, but only we have to change the title of it. So I don't think so that changing the title, you guys, I think you guys can clearly do this. So monthly sales, so monthly profit, you have to write monthly profit. I don't know why I do lots of spelling mistakes. I don't know, really I don't know. Okay, so this is our monthly sales, this is our monthly profit. So I think the video is going to be a long one, so I don't think so that we are going to continue. We will be going to continue this the next part, in the part 2, and I hope so that it will be uploaded tomorrow only. I will be completing the work because I don't want you to become bored, because keep in mind that this project will be a big one. So I think it will take almost 2 or 3 hours to complete. So I will just keeping the video short in 1 hour. I will try to keep the video in only 1 hour. So thank you for watching, and keep loving and keep supporting. We are finishing the video, but we will continue this project only in the next video. So guys, stay tuned, and share worth.